We built this building in the late 90s because we had the apple variety Honeycrisp coming along and we wanted a presence on the highway to sell the apples. So we had Wick start out building a building for us in 1998, and so we could sell our Honeycrisp apples. We've actually had two expansions since then. One expanded our retail section in one direction, and then we added a bakery at the same time going the other way. And then this building that we're standing in now was built last winter, and with a warehouse and loading docks in the back. So we've had two expansions. The original building, two expansions, all have been Wick buildings. Well, basically we doubled the space. We had about 5,000 square feet in the original building, and we added another 5,000 here. The warehouse space in the back is 50 by 50, as I recall. And then this room we're in right here is our apple room, we call it. We sell primarily apples. This gave us a lot of room to spread the crowds out in the fall and offer more apples for a longer period of time. Well, obviously when we built this building, it was the idea it would make us money. And it made our work easier for our staff here, that we had this big work area behind us, and it made selling our apples easier, more efficient, and more volume through this building. So although the building cost us money, we did it with the idea that it would make us money, and the additional money that we made would eventually pay for the building. So we definitely built the building with the idea that it would make us money in the long run. We built the building in the winter, and it was a tough winter to build it. It was cold, the frost went deep early, but the Wick crew worked through it. They did a great job, and we had frost in the ground. We had a little trouble getting the frost out of the ground to pour concrete, but eventually we got it done in time to get open on our May 1st opening date, so that worked really good for us. I'd give both Wick Building and Peninsula Building Systems, PBS, high recommendations, and I would definitely suggest that other people consider them when they build a building. They did a good job for us.